Okay guys, so we will try to solve this problem right here. So i-apply natin yung mga natutunan nating laws of exponents. No? Okay, so simulan natin dito sa ating first equation. So I will write it here. 4 to the x plus 4 to the x is equal to 4 to the 8. So nakikita natin dito guys, meron tayong similar term. So we know from our lecture before, tungkol dito sa addition of similar terms, x to the y, for example, plus x to the y, this is equal to 2x to the y. Okay, so we have a coefficient here of 1 and coefficient of 1 here. So ina-add lang natin yung coefficient natin dito. So we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So ito yun guys. Okay, so we will do the same here. So 4 to the x plus 4 to the x is equal to 2 times 4 to the x is equal to 4 to the 8. Okay? So now guys, makikita natin dito, meron na tayo ditong value ng 2. So hindi natin basta-basta pwedeng ma-apply yung mga laws of exponents natin. No? So ang gagawin natin, kailangan maging pare-pareho yung base ng exponent natin, which is 2. Okay? So, i-convert natin tong mga base natin dito into 2. So, what we'll have here is that 2, meron tayong exponent na 1, and then 4, which is equal to 2, squared times x is equal to 2 squared times 8. Okay? So, we have here 2. The 1 times 2 to the 2x is equal to 2 to the 16th. Okay, so yan yung values natin. So ano ngayon ang gagawin natin guys? Pare-pareho na yung base ng exponent natin, no? Pare-parehong 2. Now, in here, makikita natin that pareho sila ng base ng exponent and they are asked to be multiplied. So, we know also sa laws of exponents natin that we have x to the n times x to the m is equal to x n plus m. So, pag pareho yung base ng exponent natin, ina-add lang natin itong exponent natin, okay? Para makuha yan. So, we'll have here 2. So, magiging exponent natin dito is 1 plus 2x. And this is equal to 2 to the 16th. So now, what we'll do with this, guys? Pakita natin, pareho yung base ng exponent natin dito, no? And what does it mean? Kapag meron tayong ganito, guys, x to the y is equal to x cubed. Ano ibig sabihin niyan, guys? Pareho yung base natin. So, para maging equal neto ang ating given, the only way is for y to be equal to 3 also. So that means, pwede natin equate dito yung ating exponent. So this will be equal to 1 plus 2x is equal to 16. But of course, the proper way to do this, guys, is to use logarithm. So if we have 2 to the 1 plus 2x is equal to 2 to the 16, we can take the logarithm of both sides. We have logarithm base of 10 of 2 with exponent 1 plus 2x is equal to logarithm base of 10 2 with exponent 16. So this will be 1 plus 2x times the logarithm of 2 base 10 is equal to 16 times the logarithm of 2 base 10. Okay? And then, you can see, pwede natin i-cancel out itong logarithm natin. So, we'll have here 1 plus 2x is equal to 16. So, this is just equal nung sinasabi ko kanina. So, moving on. Solve na natin yung x natin dito. We have 2x is equal to 16 minus 1. So, this is equal to 15. So, x is equal to 15 over 2. So, may value na tayo ng x. Okay, so alam na natin ngayon yung value ng x. So, solve na natin ngayon itong second equation natin. X plus y is equal to 20. So, we have x plus y is equal to 20. Ang x natin is 15 over 2 plus y is equal to 20. So, y is equal to 20 minus 15 over 2. Okay, so solve na natin to. Subtract natin yung 20 sa ating fraction. We will have here y is equal to 20 times 2 minus 15 over 2. This is equal to y is equal to 40 minus 15 over 2, which is equal to 25 over 2. So, may value na rin tayo ng y ngayon. So, ano ba yung hinahanap natin? Ang required sa atin is y plus y. Okay? So, yun ang kailangan nating makuha. So, y plus y is equal to what? So, we have here 25 over 2 plus 25 over 2 is equal to what? So, addition, having the same denominator, we have 50 over 2. So that means this is equal to 25. So this is our final answer here, guys.